Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. All right, well, did you hear all that? Drinking, smoking, swearing. All right, then. You've been warned now. Look, is there coming 3? Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, it is. Bang! Yes! So look, we got a great show for you today, brothers. Oh, we got money. We got all sorts of goodies. All sorts of goodies. Look, I had so much I could have talked about tonight. We got a great week ahead. All right. So, all right, so this is what we're going to do. So, first story. Bang! IOTA partners with IBCS, and it's a game changer, they say. They call it a game changer. It's hardcore. IOTA's about to jump off, really. And it actually is a partnership, so I won't be complaining that they call it a partnership when really IOTA's getting paid. This is actually a true... I know, I'm always crying about that. These motherfuckers, admit it. You're making money, you motherfucker. Just say it. All right. This one is a true partnership. Bye. We're going to talk about another partnership. Bye. And then we're going to go. A London hedge fund launches a crypto fund. Oh, I taught you all about them. Oh, I taught you about arbitrage. Look. I taught you about flash boys. Look. We're going to get deep into it. Look. London. We talked about London the other day. That's what I'm talking about. Here come the London boys now. Yes, they're slowly beginning to trickle in this motherfucker. I thought they'd have been here a long time ago. They've been raping and pillaging the earth for hundreds of years. You think they would have seen this already and been here. I love you, London boys. Bye. Look. And then BAKKT. All right, so we got to talk about the BAKKT is taking the deposits and they are insured. Not as much as I thought they would be. Yeesh. Not as much. I think there might be something wrong. We'll talk about that. Then we're going to do shout-outs, the daily wrap-up, and then look. So our guys, we have our P.O. box, right? Boom! We got our first gift from the P.O. box. So we got our first gift, guys, and we're going to open that up after the shout-outs part. Bang! Yes! It's pretty cool shit. That's cool. You guys are creative. All right, so let's begin. Boom. Yeah, man, the first gift. Bang. Ooh, wrong bang, sorry. Bang. There we are. Is that the right one? Yes. All right, look. Let's refresh. So we got here, brothers. Bitcoin, $10,278. And when I left you on Saturday, we were at 10,411. I don't know, what do you call that? 100 and change? 100 and what? 160 bucks? Is that right? Something like that, man. You do the math, brothers. But we're down a little bit. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tether, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Monero still holding strong at number 10. Look. Moves of the day, brothers. Single digits up, single digits down. We got single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Two single digits up. Two single digits. Down. All right. Look. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on bang sale. Look. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Yeesh. All right. Not many losses. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Max, Aurora, Metaverse CTP, Bitcoin SV, Bytecoin, Energy, ABBC Coin, Engine Coin, Monero, and Decred. All right, let's see who made money today, brothers. Bye. Yes. Look. Top 10 winners of the day, brothers. Zcoin, Cosmos, BitShares, Redcoin, Synthetics Network, Komodo, BitTorrent, Maker, Hollow, and Dragon Coins. Let's look at the total market cap today, brothers. What we got here? What we have here is a unlit cigarette. Look. All right. Market cap today, 264.8. And when I left you on Saturday, what the hell? It was 263.1. All right, so we went, that's pretty much bullshit. $1.5 billion up. All right, look, top 10, 24-hour volume of the day, brothers. 57.4. All right. All right. So we haven't hardly moved. Oh, yeah, we've hardly moved. That's right. All the weekend. That's right. That's how it's been. All right. And when I left you on Saturday, it was 58.5. So $1.1 billion down on the day. All right. Look. All right. Let's get to the stories, brothers. Bye. Yes. IOTA partners with IBCS chairman. Okay. IOTA partner IBCS's chairman joins its board. So this guy joined the board of IOTA and says it would be a game changer for the enterprise. So these guys have a successful company, this IBCS group. And this guy's like, yo, fuck all this shit. I got to show everybody this IOTA. Yeah. He's hyped. He's like, look. I'm going to show all my customers this IOTA Tangle thing. I told the Tangle. Look, man, the Tangle makes blockchains look like 1970s old clunker cars. It's quantum proof. It's infinitely scalable. It has infinite transactions. Infinite. Like, I'm not just saying that as an exaggerating, like, to get a point across. No, like, literally infinite. Yeah, man. And whatever you use the Tangle for, like your company, if it's big enough, if the Tangle is big enough that you're using, zero transactions, cost in transactions. It makes blockchains look so stupid. These guys are talking about bullshit like 10 transactions a second. What? All right. Well, you invested in blockchain, Shomari. I didn't say a blockchain ain't going to make you money, brother. So don't worry about that. We're going to make our money off it. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying. I'm just comparing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Look. I'm an American. Oh, I like a good hamburger, but that's only ground beef. I live in South Beach. I like a good filet mignon. You see what I'm saying? Now, is one worse than the other? No, I don't think so. They're both delicious and tasty and fill my belly. But let's get real. The quality of one is a cut above. You know what I'm saying? It's about the quality. And so that's what I'm saying. So are these blockchains going to make us money, Shomari? Bye. There's a tsunami on the way. Don't worry. These blockchains are going to make us money. But have no doubt, brothers, this Tangle shit blows these blockchains away. It destroys them. All right. I'm not even a techie guy, and I know that. Look. All right. IOTA partner IBCS chairman joins its board, says it would be a game changer for the enterprise. And watch this shit. Watch this shit right here. IBCS Poland has joined Tangle Universe project with the IBCS tracker solution, and its chairman, Brian Marcel, just joined IOTA's advisory board. So this company, IBCS, they have this tracker thing already. So this is actually a partnership. Okay, that usually I know I'm always complaining that these that these websites don't say it properly. Well, this one's proper. All right, so we'll leave it at that. This is a partnership. All right. So welcome Brian Marcel to the IOTA Foundation Advisory Board. So IBCS is a provider of solutions that optimize logistic processes in the supply chain area. Bang! Supply chain stuff. You know how IOTA does all that. So an application solution Whoops. Oh, we're moving a little fast. Settle down. An application solutions integrator in the enterprise mobility market in Middle Europe, IBCS supports companies in improving the effectiveness of logistic processes via the implementation of IT solutions and consulting services. So, basically digitizing your logistics and stuff, right? I mean, that's a very basic way to say it, but look, IBCS Tracker is one of its products that track returnable containers or packaging based on distributed ledger technology like IOTA Tango. So in May 2019, IBCS Group announced that IBCS Poland had joined the Tango Universe project with its solution IBC Tracker. So they have that's why it really is a partnership. They have this thing IBC Tracker, and I mean, they're going to run it over the IOTA, right? So here's the chairman guy. Now, the chairman of the company has joined IOTA as its newest members of the advisory board. You know what the chairman is? Yes. Who's the most powerful person in any corporation? Nope, you're wrong. It's not the CEO. Who hires the CEO? The CEO is the CEO. He gets hired by who? The chairman. And look who just joined IOTA. The chairman of this company. Not the CEO, but the chairman. Yes. So look. Marcel's believes IOTA would be a game changer for the enterprise, as IOTA and Tango, he said, are vastly superior in terms of solving the blockchain's limitations of speed, scalability, and cost. You see? It's infinitely scalable. You can put as many IoT devices or whatever you want on it, on the Tango. It actually moves faster the more stuff you put on it. And, it's infinitely scalable. That's just how it is, man. You put more stuff on it, just keep growing it, man. And like I said, it will go down to zero once you have it big enough, once you implement it in a big enough way. And so that's what the guy says. Oh, I mean, I've been preaching it to you guys since last year. The Tangle is the shit. So look. And this is what the guy says. I am delighted to join the advisory board where I can hopefully introduce IOTA to a number of my customers and suppliers. You see what I'm saying? He already has a company. He has a company, this thing right here. IBCS, right here, these guys. Whoops. All right. Yeah. And what is he saying? He's like, I want to introduce the Tangle to all of them, to all my customers and suppliers. You understand? In other words, he's going to go out shilling for IOTA. Yes. He's going to go out shilling. Using my, and this is the cool part too. This is another cool part. So this is the guy talking still, the CEO guy. Or sorry, the chairman. Shit, not the CEO. The chairman says, using my experience in introducing barcodes over the past 40 years can take some of the mystique out of the Tangle, making it more customer friendly. Oh, yeah. He's going to be talking to all his people. So, bye. 40 years of experience. He's the chairman. He said, I'm going to what did he say? Let's even bang that. Where is it? I can hopefully introduce IOTA to a number of my customers and suppliers. Look, bye. Look, bye. Right? He's going to go out and do it. Nice, IOTA. Nice. So look, brothers. IOTA lands another one. I mean, you know how it is. IOTA and VeChain. Right? It's like every week it's like every week, right? We have one of them on here, onboarding someone. Right? And it's always kick-ass shit. It's never just some little bullshit, little crap. Right? Because there's been a couple craps I've talked about here. I'm not going to mention any names in case you're invested in it. Right? But IOTA and VeChain. Right? It's always just, look, bye. Right? All right, well, look, bye. There we go, IOTA. And now, bye, let's go. Yes. Oh, London. Oh, yeah. Okay. London-based hedge fund raises $50 million to launch new crypto investment fund. I think the London boys are coming online now, brothers. Look, if you're new around here, I'm a Forex trader. I live on London time. I live in South Beach. Oh, yeah. The beach is 2 blocks right behind my fucking head right here. Right now. Oh, yeah. But you know what time I live on? London time. You know what time it is right now? 4:21 in the morning. Yeah. I just had breakfast, a little bit of mango. Actually, I had a little bit of leftover Kentucky Fried Chicken for breakfast and a mango. And look, fueling and bang, getting ready to slaughter. Why? Why are you awake at 4:21 in the morning, Shomari? I live on London time, homeboy. They have a lot of money. I know you probably don't know it, but in the world of the markets, in the worlds of money, you're in the goodie room. There's 3 big dogs. New York, London, Tokyo. Or from your angle, east, we'll go from west to east. New York, London, Tokyo. Bang! Those are the killers. And in the Forex market, let me tell you something. A $5.6 trillion market today. Yes. Well, the London boys rule the roost. Yes. Yes, indeed. So look, for Queen and Country. Let's go. That's how it goes, brothers. They've been raping and pillaging for a long, long time. So there's a lot of money there. I'm Jamaican. I showed you my grandmother. Yeah, she's white. Yeah, white blonde lady, right? I showed you her picture. Oh, yeah. They've been raping and pillaging for a long time. So they got a lot of pent-up money sitting around. Nothing to do with. Well, they get down to doing it. And so, but really, all right. Forget about London, but the good. Let's get to the crypto crap, though. We're starting to see the London boys come online now. This is what I have been waiting for. Wow. I mean, the SEC, too. Those sons of bitches. Bang! And I know. Yeah, Shomari, yesterday, Jay Clayton, the SEC chairman, was on TV. Why don't you talk about it? What's there to talk about, brothers? I know. I thought about it. I was going to do that story. But then I thought about it, and I was like, what am I going to tell you? We already know. Right? Like, they're waiting for the market manipulation thing. They're waiting for liquidity. So things can't be manipulated, right? And that's the same shit he said yesterday. And so that's why I didn't do that story today. I know you're probably sitting there like, Shomari's always talking about the government shit, the regulator shit. You probably thought I was going to talk about that today. And normally I would, but it's redundant, right? We've talked about this 100 times. There were 3 things that the SEC cared about going into Q3 last year. Money laundering, terrorist financing, market manipulation. Then going into Q4 last year, what happened? How? SEC stopped talking about money laundering, didn't they? They stopped talking about terrorist financing. They only keep harping about this money manipulation part, right? In other words, last year what we learned was sometimes what a regulator doesn't say says a lot more than what they're saying. And so we know that the money laundering and the terrorist financing thing, that problem is solved. FATF is here. FATF compliant, you're good. Yeesh. Market manipulation, though. Look at this shit right here, brothers. Let's talk. Fuck. I love you guys. We got to talk. You see what I'm saying? It's only a $264 billion market. Well, that's pretty big, man. Now it isn't. Not when it's spread amongst 200 fucking crypto exchanges. Right? That means the average exchange has what? I don't know. What would that be? Fucking, what, $10 billion on it? Or $1 billion? The average. It's too easy to manipulate that. If I'm a billionaire, I can manipulate these markets anytime I want, right? What are you, man, Shomari? What are you on the SEC side? You don't want them to approve something? I'm not on the SEC side. I'm on your side. I don't want you to be cheated. And I tell you daggone right, I don't want to be cheated. I told you when I first entered the Forex market how it was back in the days. First of all, it was the Wild West of the internet back 19 years ago. And then it was the Wild West of the internet plus the Wild West of Forex. Exchanges used to just steal your money. They would just take it. You trade for a while and ask to get your money back, they'd be like, nah. Yeah, like that. If you're an American and you had a lot of Americans got ripped off in Greece. Yeah, these Greek exchanges just didn't give you your money back. They were like, come over here and sue us for your money. You know, average guys don't have that kind of money to be doing that and waiting around for court cases, right? So they just robbed everybody. It was bad. And, yeah, but eventually everything tightened up, and I'm not afraid of being cheated anymore at all. I mean, I used American exchanges. I don't fuck around like that. I wasn't stupid enough to do that. Yeah, greedy fucks. They got burned. All right, but look. Oh, in London, and that's what I'm saying. What did we read the other day? Right? See this guy, a billionaire is launching a $1 billion crypto venture. Remember that we read? I remember he said, I want to expose the market to the whole, what did he say? The full spectrum. That's the wording he used. The full spectrum of crypto assets. All of them. And like I said, I mean, I hope he meant what I think he meant, which means our VeChain, our IOTAs, our Trons, our Stellars, our money-making products. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's check out this guy. But here comes London. Finally. Fuck, I've been waiting for these boys. I've been waiting to have a good pint with these boys for a long time. Just a wee little drink. Let's go out for a wee little drink. All right. Yes. Just want to go out for a wee little drink with these boys. Look. Nickel Asset Management, a United Kingdom-based hedge fund manager, has raised $50 million for its newly launched crypto investment fund. But now, according to a report from Finance Magnates on September 9th, the hedge fund has raised $50 million for its newly launched crypto investment fund, Nickel Arbitrage Fund, which aims to take advantage of arbitrage trading in digital assets. Now, I've told you about arbitrage. I've taught you about arbitrage. If you're new around here, well, it's going to explain it here. Oh, well, fuck it. Let's just read it and then there we go. So in arbitrage trading, traders buy an asset on one exchange and sell it on another at a higher price, thereby profiting from the price difference in separate markets. Alex Clota, portfolio manager at Nickel, added, as long as digital assets and their derivatives trade on multiple exchanges across the globe with sufficient speed and execution quality, we can profitably make markets while improving liquidity for other market participants. Exactly. But look. You see, arbitrage opportunities. They're going to, I described to you about arbitrage. I talked to you about the flash boys. Flash traders, right? High frequency traders. You know, those boys, they're all in Connecticut. Oh, yeah, they're all in Connecticut. You see those boys on Wall Street? Yeah, they're rich and all that. Yeah, but they're a bunch of pussies. The flash boys now. Ooh. That's where the real money is at. And, right, remember, the boys on Wall Street, yeah, they're employees. That stock trader is an employee of Charles Schwab. That stock trader is an employee of JP Morgan. Those boys in Connecticut, no, that's their money. Like, yeah, that $1 billion hedge fund, yeah, when you ask him, where'd you get that money from? Like, it's my $1 billion. Yes. So look, and what they do is arbitrage. So they have computers. All these computers do all day long is just scan markets for price discrepancies. And they have so much money that, so a Microsoft share here in America might cost, I'm just making up a number, okay? This isn't real. I mean, it's real what I'm telling you, but the numbers aren't going to be real, okay? I need to do the math easy. So, but a Microsoft share might be, like, say, $100 here. Yeah, well, on the FTSE, that's the French stock exchange, it might be $100.50. Yeah, well, these guys have so much money, the computers just they'll buy like, I don't know, like 500,000 Microsoft shares, and sell it on the FTSE instantly, like instantly. These guys go by nanoseconds. Yeah, well, if you sell 1 billion Microsoft shares with a 50 cents profit, all right, well, hold on. Let me get the numbers right. Hold on. That's why I had to do these fake numbers. Right, if I grab 1 million Microsoft shares with a 50 cents profit, yeah, I just made $500,000. Wait, is that right? Yeah. Is it? Yeah, right? Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm not even fueled yet. You just made $500,000. Yeah, in a second, like a nanosecond. That's how they do it. They're called flash boys. But they're called high frequency traders is actually the real term of them. But in the underground, we call them flash boys. Well, it's not underground. I mean, the insider talk, we call them flash boys. All right. So and that's right. And then he said, exactly. He said, we can make some money off this shit. You daggone right you can. Now, buy approval from UK. What? Look. Yes. You can't keep the Brits away for long, folks. Oh, they smell that money. Oh, what's going on? Was it the Americans? What are they doing? Oh, they got some money over there. They got some crypto. What? Where's that? Here. You can't keep those. You can't keep the Brits away for long, brothers and sisters. Look. The company further explained that the Nickel Arbitrage Fund is one of the few investment funds focused on cryptocurrency to have won a stamp of bumbleclot approval from who? Buy. Oh, and let's even bang it even more. In this case, the Financial Conduct Authority. Buy. Look, buy. Who's the Financial Conduct Authority, Shomari? It's just the SEC of the UK. Yes. Yes, indeed, brothers. Here come the Brits. Here they come. That guy's got his fun going on. This guy's doing his arbitrage thing. Here they come slowly. Oh, this is what we need, guys. This is what we need. Oh, my gosh. Finally. Fuck, it's been a little frustrating. I'm not going to bullshit you. I've told you this already. Fucking, I thought the SEC was going to approve some shit by Q1 this year. I'm not going to lie, man. I thought that Winklevoss ETF and shit, I thought that was going to be wrapped up. I mean, I've said it before, so it's not a secret. But daggone. SEC's just being hardcore. But look, here comes our brothers from across the pond. Bang! Actually, the pond is over that way. The British are that way. Yes, my British brothers. So look. Nissel Asset Management CEO Anatoly Tragilov. It sounds like a fucking Russian right there. He's not British. Whatever, buddy. Bring us the money. Added that it is just a matter of time until digital assets become part of institutional portfolio allocations for investors around the blood clot world. Told you. Part of the portfolio. Oh, late. I mean, I know I say it here so much, but I really can't emphasize enough. Once Fidelity unleashes on the American market, knock luck. Look. And that's what these guys know. The Brits aren't stupid. Yeah, they got the fancy-ass accent, don't they? Yeah. You know when you hear a British motherfucker talk, they're smart. Right? All right. Actually, not all of them. Not those Cockney ones. Yes. Yeah, those Cockney boys are a little bit... Yeesh. All right. Yeah, all right. You know what I'm talking about, British boys. Those aren't your smartest of brothers. All right. But look. Oh, this shit right here. All right. So, fuck these guys. So there's a racist right-wing party in the UK, and they want to have proper crypto policy. And the only reason I highlighted it, Shomari, man, What, you're going to talk about these racist motherfuckers? We're skipping the story. We're going to skip that part. We're not going to talk about it. But look, man, look. I'm not a thin-skinned motherfucker. You want to call me the N-word or whatever? I don't give a fuck. If you're going to make me money, go for it, you fuckstick. Trump and his crazy talk right now, I don't give a fuck. Bring me the trade war. I'm making money off your bitch-ass homeboy. Yeah, you're a racist motherfucker, and you'll be out of here. You'll be out of here next election. But look, while you're still here, I'm going to make this bread. Okay? I know it sounds fucked up. I know. Shomari, man. He's a racist. Look. I know, brothers, but makes us bread, right? So settle down, brothers. And that's what these guys are going to do. They have we're not even going to really talk about these fucksticks. We're not going to talk about them, but anyways, they want crypto regs in London, but fuck that. Look. All right, let's not get into the racial crap. Yeah, we got a new guy right here. Arbitrage opportunities. Bang, right? He's going to bring these flash boys to arbitrage trade. Bang! And this is what I'm talking to you about as well. I've been teaching you guys about investment vehicles. Right? If I'm an arbitrager and I want exposure to this space, I want exposure in my portfolio to these assets, yeah, well, you got to offer me the opportunity to do it. Right? If I'm an options trader, all right, well, that's what we learned about. Yes, what was that? Holy, we've been learning about a bunch of investment vehicles. Oh, that Factum shit was crazy. But hold on, the CME is going to offer options, is what I told you on Saturday. CME offering options. The other motherfucker, where was that guy? Where was this guy? Where was that? Right, but the other London guy I read to you. Yeah, the billionaire London guy to launch $1 billion trust, not trust. It says crypto. Anyway, he's going to launch a bunch of crypto crap, right? These are the investment vehicles that are necessary, right? If I'm an options guy, well, to expose my portfolio in which I feel comfortable, I got to have options, right? If I'm a futures guy, well, I need futures to trade, right? Like, I'm a Forex guy. And so I need proper trending markets to trade, right? Like, I can't trade this crap, right? Actually, no one should. These guys are jokers. But look, and it's the same way. Like, if you gave me money, if you were like, Shomari, here's 100 G's, man. Trade me this in options. I know how options work, and I do know trending markets and all that stuff, but would I be comfortable taking your 100 grand to make you money? No. If you said to me, Shomari, I have 100 G's, make me money in the Forex market, I'd be like, sure. You owe me $20, 20% of profits, fuckstick. Bang, I'll make you all the money you want, fucker. Like, no problem. You see what I'm saying? In other words, in the goodie room, you become a master. Like guys like me, I'm a master at trend trading. Right? That's it, though. If you give me money to trade you futures, well, I know what futures are, and I know exactly how they work. But can I guarantee that I'd make you money? Like in a year, if you said, all right, I'm going to give you a year to do it, Shomari, do that. No, right? And I wouldn't do that because, well, I wouldn't want to be made a fool of and all that. And who knows what kind of person you are, and I lost your money maybe. Do you see what I'm saying? But if you said, Shomari, here's 100 G's. I'm going to give you a year, maybe money in Forex. I mean, people do beg me to do that all the time. And I tell them to go fuck themselves. I don't say that. But I just don't do it. Yeah. If you gave me 100 grand, by the end of the year, I don't know, probably have a couple $1,000,000. So that's what I mean is, the investment vehicles. It's the way guys invest in an asset. The way you get to attack an asset. I use the word attack. All right, that's not the West way. To expose your... All right, let's talk normal. Not like killer talk. Yes. But let's just talk normal talk. But how to expose yourself to the price fluctuation of the underlying asset. And there's many ways. We've talked about it before. You got ETFs. You got futures. You got swaps. You can just buy it regular. You can do it through options. You can do it through arbitrage. You could just buy vanilla. There's so many, man. There's so many. There's just so many. I can't even. I don't even know them all, really, to tell you the truth. But you see those 7 ways I just showed you? 7, there we go. And arbitrage is the new one. And that's what we want. We want every guy, every killer, bang, right? I'm a killer. These arbitrage guys are killers. The options guys that we read about, the CMEs bring out, are killers. We want them all to be able to feel comfortable here doing what they do. Yes, that's the way to say it. All right. You get it, right? You understand what I'm saying? It's not just that, whoa, man, motherfuckers can come buy this shit. They can come invest in it. Nah, man, but we're killers in a certain way. You have to give it to us in the way we can do it, right? Like, Shomari, why don't you trade this stuff? It's garbage. It's not a trending market. Buy low, sell high doesn't work here. It's all wiggle, wiggle, crazy talk, right? I can't do that, right? Whereas an arbitrage guy, he doesn't give a shit. His computer's just, oh, these guys are going to rock and roll and bring liquidity. All right. And that's what we really need. So we ended it. Oh, so that's it. Bang. All right. Bang. All right. Let's get to the next story. BAKKT. Bang. BAKKT says its warehouse is open for futures with Bitcoin deposits insured. Yeesh. Now, obviously you have to have insurance, but this is a lot less insurance than I thought they would have. I'm not going to lie to you. This right here. Oh, I felt something on my tooth. This right here, I thought BAKKT was going to have like $5-10 billion insurance. Yeah, this isn't even close to that. And so, I mean, maybe they're just going to get prop traders at first or something. I don't know. But the good news is that BAKKT's warehouse is open. And, yeah, the party has begun. So, let's check it out. Less than a month ago, on the 16th of August, BAKKT announced that it had received the green light from the CFTC. Yes. And approval from the NYDFS. Look, to create BAKKT Trust Company. Bye! NYDFS, they're a regulatory body. Yes, and they're a hard bunch of motherfuckers. They're a hard bunch of sons of bitches right over there. Look. But once you get it, though, everyone knows, good to go. Yeah. Good to go. And so, it's good to go. The last hurdle we got it. So we've gotten through the NYDFS now. We got to get through this SEC, man. These sons of bitches right here. Right? I mean, what they're doing is good. You don't want your citizens getting cheated. But I mean, the ETF said they're going to take their price discovery from 10 exchanges. I mean, how much more do you want? How much more is there to give? Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, the CFTC regulates the futures contracts. Those guys have 3 and 4 price discoveries. 3 and 4. Right? The CME only uses 3 for price discovery, right? And then they're going to add Genesis, or what is it called? The Winklevoss kid shit, Gemini, right? So they'll have 4 for their price discovery. These motherfucking ETF guys are offering the SEC 10 exchanges for price discovery, man. Come on. Right? I mean, and you're the cops. if there is trouble, well, go bust a few people, make a few examples, and motherfuckers will stop that shit. You know what I mean? Make an example of a few motherfuckers. All right, brothers. Look, brothers. I know I've griped about this a bunch before. So look, less than a month ago on the 16th of August, BAKKT announced that it had, we were over that. So, blah, 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 NYDFS, bang, 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 and the CFTC. This signified an end to a very lengthy process of trying to secure approval from these regulatory authorities. Now, BAKKT has announced in a tweet that its BAKKT Warehouse is active for futures. And here's their little tweet. The BAKKT Warehouse is active for futures. Bitcoin deposited at our warehouse is protected by a $125 million insurance policy. And that's what I mean, though. Only $125 million? I'm not going to lie. I thought it would be more than that. I mean, they are the guys who run the New York Stock Exchange. I thought, I was thinking more in the $5 to $10 billion range. You know what I mean? Like something around there. Actually, I'm going to tell you the truth. I know they're going to up it later. They'll up it later. Everyone's just going to go in for a little taste right now. But when shit gets real, they'll up it. So, BAKKT. But still, I'm just surprised. I'm not going to lie. I did think it would start at about $5 billion. No less than one. All right. Just whatever, man. Who gives a fuck what I think? It is what it is. So, BAKKT, which is owned by Intercontinental Exchange, which also operates the New York Stock Exchange, that's what I'm talking about, initially announced its ambitious vision to create a marketplace for physically settled Bitcoin futures last year. This is the first time a service like this has received proper authorization. With this, many are of the opinion that BAKKT will be a game changer for the Bitcoin community. It'll be one of them. It'll be the first one of them. But it's not the whole thing. Yes. Wait till we get a London version of BAKKT. Yes, indeed, brothers. Insured by Lloyd's of London. Yep, I already know. A few days ago, the official BAKKT account posted a tweet announcing that the company had opened its warehouse for customer Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals. BAKKT Warehouse Custody is live. Oh, did we just read this? Oh, okay. They're just kind of repeating their bullshit. Anyways, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I see. Okay. Now accepting customer Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals. Only 17 days left until the BAKKT daily and monthly futures contracts launch on September 23rd. Bye! Yes. It's interesting. And, people are talking right now. I mean, real people, not these crypto fucks. But they are talking about this crypto crap. And people are saying, like, yeah, the reason Bitcoin is, and I'm not saying this is the real reason, but everyone wants to see what these BAKKT motherfuckers are going to do, right? Like, you don't want to be short if they go long. You don't want to be long if they go short, right? This is big money now, right? Like, it's institutional money. I mean, only $125 million insurance, but that's a lot. This ain't no BitMEX soccer mom and dad fuckstick just trying to get lucky with his 100 times leverage. No, these are real bang killers. And so that's what's going to be interesting. Where do they take this? Obviously, probably up. Well, not obviously. That's not obvious. My bad. Can go either way, just like the Forex market, either way. But not so much, because with the liquidity comes demand, and when you take these off the market, scarcity, and so actually it is going to create price rise no matter what. But just how much is the tricky part. All right, so look, this means that all possible forecasts about BAKKT's possible influence on the market, if true, are about to come to pass. Firstly, according to the announcement, the company promises to follow strict compliance guidelines and proper standards. Yes. So the independent governance and compliance requirements of a qualified custodian means that BAKKT Warehouse is designed to meet the highest standard of oversight. Now, we talked about the custody the other day, right? Right, I talked to you about that on Saturday, didn't I? No, it's right here, isn't it? Yeah, crypto custody. I told you, fuck sticks. Right? It's different than anything else. You got to give the private key, right? It's not just normal, like just, everybody knows Shomari owns this. Nah, I actually have to give this thing that lets them take it if they want. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like you're giving someone the keys to your house, but sleeping in your house and hoping they don't come in and rob you of your house, right? Like, you know what I'm saying? We read it. And if you weren't here, we'll go the fuck back and watch. Look! That's the bitch right there. This crypto custody, man. It's a different beast. It's a whole different beast with these public and private keys and fuckery nonsense. So look, secondly, BAKKT's existence, as well as its approval, could actually do wonders for Bitcoin. It is largely believed that a lot of potential institutional investors are either very skeptical or outrightly prohibited from playing in an unregulated field. Exactly, prohibited. What I've been telling you. It's what I've been telling you. Your VeChain, your IOTAs, your Stellars, your Trons, your Cardanos, your Chainlinks, your AGIs. Oh, and this new Factum shit. Man, I'm going to get me a handful of that. I was going to do it this weekend, but I didn't yet. But I'm going to do it maybe tonight even. Anyways, yep. You're just outright prohibited here in America anyway, right? That's what's so beautiful about this this guy, the British guy we read about the other day, right? Who said he's going to expose the market to the full spectrum. Here in America, they're not allowed. They're allowed to have 4. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. That's it. We got 2,000 crypto. Well, you get 4, homeboy. Yeah, what? Uncle Sam. Hook, hook. Uncle Sam's very protective. But anyways, so that's the problem. They are outrightly prohibited from playing in an unregulated field. Until it's regulated, the big boys ain't coming. All this bullshit talk when you read these crypto sites, they're morons. Crypto guys, they're morons. Those sites, they're not market guys. They don't know fuck all. They've never made a trade in their life. Okay, believe me when I tell you, okay? Once it's regulated, we're going to get altcoin season. And that's why it's taking a little while, because we need the regulation. But look, sometimes things that are happening, they seem like they're happening to you, but they're actually happening for you. I know. It'd be great if these guys could come in here and just start rampaging. Oh, yeah, we'd make a lot of money. We're going to make a lot of money. Believe me, my warehouse is ready. Oh, I am ready for the onslaught right now. If I don't buy one more piece of crypto, I'm quite confident I know I'm a millionaire. You know what I mean? And so, but the fact that they can't get here to do it yet, well, it gives you more time to accumulate. Now, you, on the other hand, probably a 9-to-5 worker guy. So look, every 2 weeks is another week of accumulation. That's how you have to look at it. Another week of accumulation, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Once in a lifetime, does the regular guy have the assets that the rich man wants? That's not just bullshit hyperbole. I'm not blowing sunshine up your ass. Like, this is for real shit. Real shit. You have the asset that they want, the cryptocurrency. They can't come here because why? Bang! They're outrightly prohibited right now. Which gives you time to what? Accumulate. I know. Yeah, but I want the money now. But believe me, if the money all just came right now, let's say you made I don't know what. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what your portfolio is, obviously. And you're all different people with different amounts of shit and different stuff you've bought, right? Each portfolio is different with different amounts. But let's just look at a hypothetical number. If they came right now, bang, you make $1 million. Now, that's true. That'd be life-changing. Real life-changing. Real good. But imagine if you just had to work one more year. And you just keep accumulating. And then when they come, you've got $5 million. Do you see the difference? Sometimes things are not happening to you. They are happening for you. I want the money too. Motherfucker, I got so much V-Chain, man. I'm ready. Holy, I don't even give a shit about any of the rest. Holy crap. Just get my V-Chain to $1 and I'm good. Yeah, but, that's how it goes, brothers, Sometimes things are happening for you. They're not happening to you. We might not like what's happening to us, but in the end, when we do the math, we're going to be happy. All right. So look, BAKKT's approval is expected to change all that, thereby breathing more life into the sector. If more players come in soon and with more investment, prices could improve. Oh, they're going to improve. It's not could improve, you moron. That's how things work. BAKKT's official start of business also seems to coincide with the period where the Bitcoin network is setting new hash rate records. The network just hit 94 quintillion hashes and is very close to 100 for the first time in Bitcoin's decade-long life. Yeah, whatever. So look. Oh, and I have one. Oh. The company, a story, but I will do it tomorrow. The company, I'm not going to ruin it. The company also seems to be quite ready for business, especially as a recent Bitcoin transaction worth $1 billion has been said to be initiated by BAKKT. Rumor. That's a bunch of rumor. Though unconfirmed, unconfirmed, the transaction was intriguing because it cost $700 in fees. A little too much even for the size of the transaction. The major reason there are... we talked about that the other day, actually. The reason there are suggestions it was BAKKT behind it is that it happened on the same day BAKKT announced it was ready to receive deposit. All right. Correlating two things together that you don't have any proof of. That's what I hate about this market. So in a recent tweet, BAKKT has assured all of its potential customers that all deposits are safe and fully insured. Most notable, however, are responses to the tweet. There seem to be a considerable number of people who want BAKKT to consider XRP, probably as an addition to Bitcoin. Fucking XRP army. No one's going to do that, fuckstick. Whether or not this is a possibility, blah, 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 blah. Only time will tell. Exactly. That's never going to happen. So look. BAKKT has the deposits. Bang. Futures. Bang. And is insured. And we're rocking and rolling. So let's get shout-outs. Bang. Look. Brendan C. Spy Lady. Bang. See you, sweetie. Bang. Look. Bang. Well, we got Tiger Fish. Never heard of this guy. Tiger Fish. Husband, father, patriot, businessman, investor, and strong believer in our... Oh, we did talk about this guy. Number 2A, whatever that is. Bang, Tiger Fish. See you, brother. Oh, he's part of Poppy's crew. He's got the 464. He's a Tron lover. Look, Edwin. Yes, one of the original brothers. Bang, love your brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yes. Poppy Wood. He's got a lady's face. What's this guy doing? All right. Poppy Wood. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. What's with the lady's face? Whatever. It's your Twitter thing. All right, what do we got? Tim Bryan, another Poppy's crew, 464. Musician and crypto enthusiast. Spend more time shit posting than looking at charts. It's my world. You just live in it. Don't piss in the pool. All right, buddy. Bye. See you. Deep Entertainment. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. All right. Hurricane Master. Well, I lived through it. Didn't happen. We got a couple more storms out in the Atlantic. Yeesh. We'll have to see how the rest of the season goes. Hurricane Master. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Bitcoin Kong. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Wayne. 1, 2, 3. Bang. Ryan. Bye. Hold on. Let me see these. If there's anyone else in here. It's not. Oh, son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Yeah. Got you. All right. Moon landing. 420. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yes. All right, what else we got? What else we got? Poppywood. Oh, this thing. Oh, yeah. So this is what I said I'm not talking about. I mean, I will talk about it right now, but I'm not going to read the whole story about it. So that's Jay Clayton. He's the SEC chairman. And he was like, you know, I mean, we've talked about it here before. He said, look, man, we need, you know, to make sure there's no market manipulation. You know, bottom line, like, they're not, here in America, they don't allow that. Like, here in America, like, we're the most solid markets in the world, right? And so, I mean, it sucks as a crypto person, but let me tell you, as any other investor, you're fucking happy when you're here in America, investing in America. Your shit doesn't get stolen. You don't get cheated. You don't get robbed. Like, they're the hardest ones, right? And so, in the world, and so, you know, you gotta wait, right? Because everyone's waiting to see kind of what they do. What will they approve? And once they approve it, all right, well, your country can approve it too. Because that's the gold standard, right? The SEC approval is the gold standard. And so that's the bitch. That's the bitch we got to wait for. Look, bang. All right. Benim, what do you got here, brother? What are you talking about? Love your brother, see you, brother. Bang. Look. Oh, this is the insurance thing. But you see, they're saying it's on the deposits. So I'm wondering if I put Bitcoin in there, that's where the 125 is. But if I'm doing their futures contracts, they must have bigger insurance for that. And that's why I don't like these crypto sites. But look, Kong, here's the cream rises to the top, brothers. Look. The cream rises to the top. Yes. Look. Trader 8020. What is this guy talking about? Channel in Telegram, Trader 8020. Channel in YouTube, Trader 8020. Crypto trader from Russia. Trading strategy 8020. Trend lines and Fibonacci strength. Trend lines and Fibonacci strength. You sound like you're saying something, but you didn't say the right words there. Trend trading, motherfucker. Look, Burks, big drop. Bang, 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 brother. See you, brother. Look. There's my sweetie. Love you, girl. Yes. Bang. See you, girl. All right, that's enough. All right, Binion, one more. What do we got? This shit. Yeah. It's pretty wild. CB Newswire. Newly developed mobile air-cooled mining containers can house 144 ASIC miners each to optimize mobility and temperature control for mining pools. Yuck. So you can get these, you can buy these, I'm assuming, well, not assuming, I'm pretty sure, these containers, you just move them with you. Wherever you want, wherever the cheapest electricity is. All right, head over there and go start mining. So that's kind of cool. Bang, all right, any more? All right, that's enough. That's the usual suspects. Bang, look, bang, look. Welcome. Yeah. So look, we had a great show for you today. Indeed. Oh, and the gift. Yes. So, all right. So guys, boom, here's the gift. I got a gift from somewhere. Now, I don't know if this is, what's his name? Van Brienen. I don't know if this is Van Brienen because it says it's coming from Las Vegas. So this package is from Las Vegas. And I opened it up. So here I opened it up. And then here's like the receipt, right? And so whoever bought it for us, they just charged it to here. And so I can't see. Well, you see, that's the thing. It says that something about Dallas, Texas, right? But the company it came from is from Las Vegas. So I'm wondering if this is an American that sent this to me from Texas, and they did it through, some Las Vegas company. All right, well, let's see what it is. Boom. They sent me these Bitcoins. Yeah, look at these Bitcoins. So I'll show you right here. Bang. Yes. Oh, shit. This camera's not good. Hold on. Wait, let me look for a camera. 1 second. Shit. All right, this is the best one. Fuck this. Hold on. I'll rock it. So he sent me some Bitcoins. So you see on one side, there's different pictures. Okay, so anonymous mint, blah, blah, blah. I don't even know what the fuck that all means. Okay, let's just look at it. All right, so you see on the one side, there's a head. I don't know if you can make that out. See the guy's head? That's a head. And then on that side, whoops, let's turn it up. Wait. Bang! It's got a Bitcoin symbol. And then on this side, on this one, it's got the American Eagle. Bang! Yeah. It's America, baby. America. And then on this side, it has bang. Whoops. Sorry. Wait. All right, there we are. Fuck, I thought I fucked it all up. Wait. Oh, hold on. No, there we are. And then we have more Bitcoin right here. So, and then there's one more. Oh, and this one's all fancy. So it has just all sorts of techie stuff. You're not even going to be able to see that. You're not going to be able to see that stuff. Can you? Let's see. It's all techie stuff. And then, boom. A Bitcoin. Yeah, so I thank whoever that was, whoever you were. Bye. Let's do this. So whoever you were, they sent it from Texas. Yo, Van Breen, Ed, where's your present? Or maybe this is him. I don't know who sent it. But it says whoever bought it. Well, I'm not going to give your address. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry. I'm not going to give your address. But you live in Dallas, Texas. And Van Breen lives in the Netherlands. So, wait, right? Whoever you are, you live in Dallas, Texas. This shit came from Las Vegas, or maybe you live in Vegas and you sent it from some company in Texas. Anyway, whatever, man. Thank you for the Bitcoin coins, and guys, that's our first official box of goodies. That's our first official box of goodies at the P.O. Box. All right. Nice. Oh, you know what? Hold on. All right. Hold on a second. Maybe we'll take one of these coins. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. All right. It's not going to stay up there. All right. Fuck all that. All right. Right, I was going to put it up there. We still might. Don't worry. Maybe tomorrow I'll have a little something. Yes. Look. All right, so let's get to the daily wrap-up. Bang, we had a great show for you today. IOTA partners with IBCS, and it is actually a partnership this time. Yes. And then the IBCS chairman, not the CEO, but the chairman said, look, I'm going to introduce IOTA to all the partners and suppliers and crap. Yes. And they called it, and I quote, a game changer. That is a game changer right there. So look, great. Now, London Hedge Fund launches the crypto fund. Bang, arbitrage. Yes. Flash boys are going to get to come online. Talk to you. Here come the Brits. Now. Here come the Brits. They got their flash traders. This guy's doing what's that one we read? What the fuck was that? Anyway, that other guy, man, the other London guy, he's going to do it. So yeah, man, it's looking like finally, because London is regulated, right? Like they already said that Ripple is not a security. They said Ripple is a blah, 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 blah. Actually, they made their laws for all the coins already. So what the fuck's taking these guys so long? And so, well, here they finally come. And so this is good news for us. Now, these are tiny little hedge funds. These aren't the biggest thing in the world. But, well, man, every little bit counts. And when other guys see other guys making money, you know how they do. They got to come in and get a piece of the action. They're not going to let their homeboy make all that loot. And they're just sitting there watching, right? So, great. All right, and finally, BAKKT deposits are insured. Now, they're only insured up to $128 million, but those are for Bitcoin deposits. So I'm wondering if that means, all right, I deposit Bitcoin with you. Okay, fine. That's what the insurance, or my bad. Let's put it this way. I do a futures contract and I make a bunch of Bitcoins. And if I just keep it on your exchange, I can keep up to 125 and feel million and feel secure. Do you know what I mean? Because remember, they're physically settled. So the people are going to be getting the Bitcoins. And so I think that's what BAKKT is saying. Like, yeah, you know, like you're insured up to $125 worth of earnings. But then after that, maybe you have to move some to some Ledger Nanos or something. I don't know, but exactly. But, you know, it's a little small for what I thought. I thought 5 to 10 billion would be sort of their vibes, but maybe they're just telling them, well, get your shit off of my exchange. I don't know, man. Brothers, I love you. Look. All right, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bag, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do this show. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money, love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. Bag, look. So thank you for having me in your home. And I will see you tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. Look. Bye. I'm always on duty. Yes, indeed. Bye. Over and out.